Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to stop Windows 11 automatic restarts. It's quick and easy. So first you have to go to the settings. Right click here and then go to the settings. After that, go to the Windows Update. Here you will see a couple of options. You have to go to the advanced options. After you go to the advanced options, make sure that you turn this off. Okay. After that, turn this on. So notify me when a restart is required to finish updating. So it will show you a notification if it wants to update it. And also select the active hours. So by default, if you select them manually, it will select start from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. like the usual office hours. You can also change it if you want, like you can just select 9 a.m. or whatever works for you. You can also select automatically, but I prefer the manually. So after that, from now on, if Windows wants to restart after the update, it will prompt you. It will ask you if you are giving it permission to restart. Just make sure that this is turned off. Okay. So this is how you stop Windows 11 automatic restarts. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.